Hi, Crafty Angels. Vanessa here from Angel Rose Designs here on YouTube. And I'm starting a new thing on my channel, and it's going to be called Devotional Tuesday, where I read from my 100 Days of Less Hustle and More Jesus devotional journal. Okay? So we're going to go to the first one, and it says, Home to your heart. Guess what? You don't need an invitation to rest. You don't need someone to give you permission, and you don't have to prove that you deserve it. You are worthy always. Not just one on the days you will feel like you've done enough or finally gotten things right. You are worthy because you are divinely created and infinitely loved. Can you hear that still small voice calling you home and to your heart? Jesus knows that the deepest love and the greatest information begin at his feet. Find your way there as often as you can. He delights in your presence as long as you give you rest, as long to give you rest. Okay? And it says here, my beloved spoke and said to me, arise, my darling, my beautiful one, come with me. Song of Solomon 2:10, New King's Version. She had a sister named Mary who sat at the Lord's feet listening to what he said. Luke 10:39 NIV. God decided in advance to deposit us into his own family by bringing us to himself, therefore Jesus Christ. This is what he wanted to do, and it gave him pleasure. Infinite 1:5 NLT. And here's the prayer. Okay. Jesus remind me every day to rest in you no matter what I'm doing or how busy I think I am. I need time in your presence more than anything in the world. Thank you for calling me home to my heart. And that's that one. So I'm going to find all the verses that are written here, and I will put them in the video. He is our God. We are the people he watches over, the flock under his care. Psalms 25:7 NLT. So I will put all these verses in the mix of the video. Okay? So I will say thank you all for watching. Please like and share. Also leave a comment down below and I will get back to you. I will see you in the next video for the next devotion. And thank you all for watching. And God bless you all. And bye-bye for now.